was really great. Everything went just as they said. They kept me informed as to every step, the process. While I was waiting, they kept checking back with me, so I always knew what was going on, and I found that very reassuring. The installation crew was amazing. They were just remarkable. They came in here, everybody knew their job, they did their job, and therefore it just flowed really nicely. And they were in and out in one day, did the whole, the whole house for me. So I was just totally amazed at how organized and how professional they were. I love my new windows. I especially love that, of course, they were installed the Wednesday before we almost had that Category 5 hurricane that stuck over the Bahamas. So I was really glad to have them, and I feel very confident now if I'm away from home and I'm not able to put shutters up, that my windows are going to protect me. And I've noticed a big difference in the amount of sound also that comes in from outside, because I'm sort of by a busy road here, and it really cut down on a lot of those noises. So I am so happy with my new windows. I would just do it again in a heartbeat.